We're coming to day 12 of March Madness. So Mariela's just going to come back into a high kneel. So we're going to come up. Again, pushing out through your heels. Now, if your toes have trouble doing this, then you can always put the toes flat, but you are going to have less stability. We're going to now take the arms into a V shape just below the shoulder blades. Now we're going to inhale, and Mariela's going to do a little bit of a twist. So the headlights of her hips are going forward and the searchlight of her breastbone is just going towards the corner of an imaginary box that she's in. Now she's going to take this opposite hand and touch it to the floor opposite that leg as she shifts back and widens her sitting bones. Then she's going to push herself back up and she's going to face the front. So this is the kneeling saw. So if you don't like sitting down to do the saw, this is another alternative. You're going to reach wide sitting bones, sitting back up and open. So this has another added benefit of stretching that hip to the side that you're leaning towards. So it'll be opposite to the way that your hand is going. Coming back up and face the front. We'll do one more the other side. And we're going to reach and coming back up and face the front.